Welcome to our educational channel. From class 6th mathematics, the chapter 7 from this series is number line. So in this number line, let us see the introduction of this number line, how to represent. And main thing is the number lines for natural number, whole numbers and integers. How to separately to find out the number line, to draw the number line, let us see. And using the number line to compare the numbers, like which is the greater, the smaller, the comparing using number line, how to solve. And important these two things, addition of numbers and subtraction of the numbers using number line concept. Same way to find the integer which is more or less. So if they're given minus 7 and 11, so to find out the greater or less which is more or less using this number line, let us see one by one. So when you see the number line concept, some topics you studied previous, let us see the briefly once again. So we need to draw the line first with equal intervals with the same distance. Now in this number line, draw a straight line of any suitable length. Then mark points on the drawn line to divide it into required number of equal parts. So equal parts you have to make, some required. If you want 7 points, just make into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So equal measurement drawing is important in this. And take the point in center, not exactly center, just observe the some point in between. You can mark this because there is the arrow symbols like right side and left side, so there's not fixed number. Center you should keep the 0, starting from 0, and the right hand side of it mark as the positive numbers. From 0, right side is right hand side, always positive. So it's a +1, +2, +3, +4, so on. Until you understand the concept clearly, just use the symbol sign plus or minus. Then from the 0, similarly starting from 0, on the left hand side it marks the negative integers like -1. Immediately soon after the 0, next -1 and -2, -3 and so on. So we can keep the dots. That means it's not till here, it will be extend infinite, right? So arrowhead at the two ends, the number has shown that the line as well as continue for infinity on the both positive and negative sides. Positive side and negative sides, it will extend, continue. You can increase the number if you required. So as of the required numbers, you should just draw the number line and maintain the same size, right? Now let us see the concept clearly one by one, natural, whole and integer separately, and comparing addition, subtractions, and which is more or less based on the integers. Let me explain one by one now. Number lines for natural, whole and integers. So this natural numbers, whole numbers and integers, let us see separately. First when we come to this natural number, we will denote with capital N, natural numbers. So natural numbers will denote with capital N. These numbers will start from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so on till infinity, right? So to draw the number line, starting number itself 1 it is, and right side is infinity. So just take the equal intervals on the number line, and left side must be 1 is fixed. So should not keep any arrow symbol is this side. So this only start with 1. Next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equal number you can maintain equal distance and keep the arrow symbol to the right side. That meaning is this natural numbers start from 1. Next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. And so on this. That means numbers from 1 and right side is infinity. So here is the arrowhead on the right side shown that the natural number continue up to infinity. So only arrow mark should be right side. So when you're representing natural numbers on number line, don't draw the arrowhead to the left side. Only starting number is 1. And next we have whole number. Okay, so see in these whole numbers, we'll denote with W. These numbers will start from the 0. Whole numbers will begin from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. If you notice the number system in this, numbers starting with 0. So all the natural numbers including 0, if 0 is added in the natural number, there is nothing but whole number, right? So same method. That means arrowhead should be only to the right side, because right side numbers are increasing. Left side the number is starting with 0. So you just take the equal intervals. Starting itself you can keep one dot line, keep the marking equal intervals, means equal width you maintain, and your number is 0. 0 is next, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. That means numbers starting with 0 and right side is infinity. So keep the arrow mark. Right. Next we have the integers. So as per the integers, we'll denote with I or capital Z. Take the integers. Number system. Integers will denote with Z, or some books you can notice the I, capital I. So integers will 0, 1, 2, 3 positive right side, again -1, -2, -3. That means including negative and positive 0 this. So all the negative numbers also be included in integers along with the whole numbers. So all the natural numbers are in whole numbers. Again all the whole numbers in integers, and we have the negative natural numbers also. Right. So in this case, to represent, if the question they asked, represent the integers on number line. So both the sides you can keep the arrow mark. At the center point, just keep the 0. Approximate value. Just middle you can take and put 0. No need of using the scale and draw exactly. Just put the 0, and right side numbers equal distance you maintain to the right and left. 0, right? Again 1, 2, 3. Left side is -1, -2, -3. So right side is +1, +2, +3. Including negative natural numbers. Natural numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So -1, -2, -3 are negative natural numbers. So natural number, if you keep the negative sign, they become negative natural numbers. So negative natural numbers including whole numbers is our integers. So 0 is the center, and right side is 1, +1, +2, +3, so on, and left side -1, -2, -3, so on. Important thing is you need to keep the arrowhead should be both the sides, left and right. Okay, so this is the main thing. In the question, what they asked, they asking draw the number line or natural numbers, just draw like this. Whole numbers is in this way. Integers, both arrows you have to keep. Right. Let us see the comparing now. Using a number line to compare the numbers. So for comparing the numbers, we can use this number line concepts very clearly. So out of any two numbers marked on the number line, the number which is to the right side is greater. So let us take one example. Now if you take this number line, if you mark any two numbers on the number line, now this is 0 and 1, 2, 3. Left side -1, -2, -3, so on, right? Let us take any two numbers in this. Okay, if I am taking this -1 and 3, that means to this number line 3 is right side compared to this -1. So this right side and this left side. So -1 is less than 3. So this is the symbol less than. And same way right side number is the greater to this left. So 3 is greater than -1. So this is a symbol you can use for the greater than. So to the right is greater, always to the number which is right side is a greater compared to the left, and the number which is left is the smaller when you compare to the right number. Right? If you see example, 6 is greater than 2. 6 is greater than 2 because 6 number is the right side. So in the number line, if you take this number line, 6 is here, again 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. What are the numbers? Integers or whole numbers or natural numbers? 6 is greater than 2 because 6 is the right side when you compare to this number 2. So always right side numbers are greater and left side numbers are the smaller. Same way -1, -2. So minus 2 is greater than even minus 5, because minus 5 again to this left side, right? Minus 3, minus 4. So minus 2 is greater than minus 5. That's why when then both are negative numbers, you need to see carefully. Minus 2 is greater than minus 5, because minus 2 is the right side. Minus 2 is here and minus 5 is left side. So this is the right side value, this is left side. When you compare these both, so right side values are always greater. So minus 2 is greater than minus 5. If you compare 2 and 5, 2 is less, because 2 is here and 5 is this, right? So 2 is less than 5. So this is the comparing. Let us take one question based on this. Now problem is, using a number line, write the following numbers in ascending order, like 3, minus 2, 5, 0, minus 7, 6, minus 4. So write these numbers in descending order or ascending order. So as per the question, if the ascending order is small to big, okay, I want to draw this in ascending order now. So just to represent the following in ascending order. Let be ascending order is the question. First you have to take the number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 positive values. Again minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Up to plus 8, minus 8 took. First you can represent, then we can make in ascending order. So represent this first and we can write in the ascending order. So here is first 3. 3 is this, in this place. Again minus 2. Minus 2 is here. 5. 5 is this. Next to 0. Minus 7. Here it is. 6 plus 6. And minus 4. Minus 4 is this. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. Now ascending order means always left side numbers are smaller compared to the right. So ascending order is minus 7, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 3, 5 and 6. We can write this order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the order now. After representing from left to right you can write there is an ascending order. In case of the same problem they ask in descending order from right to this. That means 6 is greater than 5. Again greater than 3. Greater than 0. It's greater than minus 2, greater than minus 4, greater than minus 7. This is we can write in ascending and even descending order. First represent the numbers on the number line. From left to right if you write, it's an ascending order. From right to left if you write, it's a descending order. Right? This is the pattern we can use, and same number line concept in addition and subtraction also. Let us see. Using a number line for addition of numbers. So this number line how to use for addition of numbers, let us see. Now let us take the both are positive first. To do addition, we'll take both positive and both negative. One is positive and negative. So 4 ways I'll show this problem. Let us take first one. Okay, so add the numbers plus 2 plus 3. So positive 2 and positive 3. We are supposed to do addition now. So now to represent this on number line. So 0 it is. Again left side we have minus 1, minus 2, so on. Right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, so on. Right. First is there's a plus 2. So just take 2 here from 2 points. Always you have to start from the 0. From 0 it is 2. Now take this line. This is 0. From 0 it is towards right side 2 points, because plus 2 it is. Positive 2 means from the 0 right side 2 steps. Now we stopped here till here. Again from this point plus 3. Again you have to do addition 3. Addition of the 3 means again to the right side. So from here again 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3. 3 more steps here. So finally we stopped this. Plus 2 plus 3 from 0 to 2. Again 2 onwards plus 3 it is. So right side. Both are is in right side. So we stopped at 5. So that means 2 plus 3 is equals to 5 here. In case the both are positive. Let us take one positive and negative now. The question is plus 3 we have to add with, take minus 4. Now let me draw the number line with this problem separately. Let's take starting 0. Okay, 0 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Left side is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. Now first step, plus 3. Plus 3 is right. Positive 3. So from 0 we should take right side. From the 0 we supposed to go right side 3 steps. Is this. Okay, so this is the position of this plus 3. Now from here, now we are here now. Again plus minus 4. Minus 4 means from this place we should take the negative 4. Negative 4 means back side, left side 4 steps. From here again. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 is the place. So if it is a positive right side, from there again minus 4. So from here, not from the 0. From starting only 0 to 3. Again from this place minus 4. So back. So we stopped here now. So finally this value. So we stopped here, it is minus 1. Right? Minus 1. So 3 plus minus 4 is equals to minus 1. Right? If it is first number is negative, let us take minus 4 and plus 3. To represent this same, first we take the negative 4. That means from 0. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. So from the 0, from this place of 0, first minus 4. So left side till 4 points. So this is the minus 4 now. Again from here plus 3. Plus 3, right? So from here you should take right side 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Here it is. Right side. So we stopped at minus 1. This is the minus 1. So is equals to minus 1. Let us take both are negative numbers now. Let's take minus 2 plus minus 4. We have to represent on this number line. For this, start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. And left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, so on. Because of negative 2, from the 0, we should take 1, 2 till here is. Right? This is the place. Again from here, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points to the left side because of negative symbol. So we stopped it finally at minus 6. So answer is equal to minus 6. Only one thing you remember, if it is the positive from the 0 right side. Now next whatever the number is there, from there you have to count. So minus 4, we reached minus 4 here. From here again, if it is positive right side, again negative means left side. So this way we can represent these numbers. And for additions, same way using a number line for subtraction of the numbers. Let us see. Using a number line for subtraction of numbers. So it's not directly like addition of numbers, it's different. Subtraction of numbers using this number line concept. First mark the two given numbers on the same number line, each starting from the 0. Let me take 4 questions to understand clearly. First let us take one positive and both positive numbers. So in this example, plus 6 and plus 2. Both positive numbers I'm going to subtract. Plus 6 minus plus 2. Right? Next we have one more question. Second one. One is positive and negative will take. So like plus 5 and minus 3. Minus in between. So plus 6 minus plus 2. Plus 5 minus minus 3. Next we will see another two. First let us discuss this now. First step to represent number line, to represent this number line for subtraction of numbers. Mark the two given numbers on the same number line, each starting from the 0. First one is plus 6, right? Plus 6 means from 0 it is. So plus 6 is from the 0 to 6. This is the plus 6. Next plus 2. Plus 2 is here. Just only mark those two numbers, just mark on the number line. Right. So after marking, now the second step. Find out how many steps are needed to reach the position of the first number from the position of the second number. First number is 6. It is. Second number is 2. This. So you can find how many steps are needed to reach the position of the first number from the second. Don't see here and here. In this first number is plus 6. Second number is plus 2. From second number onwards. So here is the second number is this. Second number to first number, how many points are there? Second number to first number, always remember. After just marking on the number line, from second number to first number. That means according to the given question. In the given question, first number is 6. Second number is 2, right? Plus 2. So from plus 2 to 6, how many points are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points are there. So answer is equals to 4. This answer is 4. And here is one more important thing. If the number of steps move towards the right, so right arrow mark it is, then answer is a positive number. So plus 4 it is. Answer is plus 4. If the number of steps move towards the left, then answer is a negative number. So let me show the next one. Second question, plus 5 minus minus 3. Account the method, first plus 5. So plus 5 is this. Just mark this one. Plus 5. Again minus 3. Minus 3 is here. First you can mark those two numbers on the number line. Next, second step. So here is the how many steps are required for the position of the first number from the second. From minus 3. Minus 3 is here. Second number is this. Second number to first number, how many are there? So second number is here. Take the other column. Second number to first number. First number is 5. How many steps are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there. So answer is equal to 8. Okay, if the arrow is right side, answer is plus 8. Positive 8 it is. If the arrow is left side, you should write negative. But it's a positive now. Let me show you another 3. Okay, more 2 examples. Let me show here. And both positive and positive negative took. No? Now you can take another number like minus, third question, minus 7 minus plus 2. Right? Now I count the method. First minus 7 is here. Just to mark this one. Next plus 2 is this. You can mark this. Now from second number to first. Second number is 2. From 2 to first number you have to take the line. 2 is here. 2 to the first number. So how many are there? Just arrow symbol is this. Okay, this is the line now. From 2 to towards second, from second number to first number. Second number is 2. From 2 to first number. Second number is in this place. First number is left side. So negative side. So how many steps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9, but arrow mark is towards left side. So minus 9. So minus 9 is answer this. Let me take one more example. Now minus 4 minus 5. So this value you have to find out. Now according to the method, first step we need to mark this both. Minus 4 is here. Just mark minus 4. Next minus 5. minus 5 is this, just close. Now second number to first number, right? Second number is minus 5 and first number is here. Minus 5 to first number, arrow mark is towards right side, only one gap, so plus 1 is answer, right? This is a plus 1. So these are the two important steps. First, he is supposed to mark two given points on the same number line, each starting from the 0. Means those positions you have to mark. Then find how many steps are needed to reach the position of the first number from the second number, from second to first. Again, the important thing is if the arrow mark is right side positive, we should keep. Arrow mark is left side negative symbol, you have to keep. Right? This is the way using the number line for subtraction of the numbers. Using a number line to find the integer which is more or less. So we need to find out the integer based on this condition, more or less. Let me take one question. First one, 5 more than 2. 5 more than 2. So to represent this one number line, 5 more than what number? 2. So first you have to mark the 2 in this. So you have to mark the 2 first, which is the number is asked. Now question is 5 more. So 5 extra. So it's more means you have to take the right side. The value should be increased. 5 more than 2. 2 is a number. Because of 5 more, we have to take the 5 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till here. So because of more, it will take towards the right side. 5 more than 2. So it stops at 7. Therefore answer is equal to 7. Right? And let us take one more. Let's take less. Question 3 less than 4. 3 less than 4 it is. Than 4 means first you can mark the 4. After marking 4 and it is 3 less. 3 less means from the 4 we should take left side 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3. So it stops at 1 here. So it stops finally at 1. So answer is equals to 1. Because of 3 less than 4. So that is equals to 1. And see some more examples. One more here. Let me mark for this. 3 less, okay, 6, take some bigger number. 6 more than minus 8. Negative number. 6 more than minus 8. First find out the minus 8 in this. Because 6 more than minus 8. So start from minus 8. So minus 8 is this. Start from minus 8 and then move 6 units to the right of minus 8. Because more. Right, 6 more. From minus 8, 6 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till here it is. And this is towards right side. So there's a minus 2. Answer is minus 2. 6 more than minus 8 is minus 2. One more sum. So anything is same type, just to less means take the left side, more is right side. Let us take 3 less. 3 less than minus 4. Number 4. 3 less than minus 4. Immediately first mark the minus 4. Minus 4 is this. From minus 4, 3 less. So we should take the left side. From here left side. So 1, 2, 3. It is. It stops at minus 7. So the answer is equals to minus 7. Right? This is the simple thing. If in case they are asking through the number line, we can represent in this way. So which is more or less. First what number is marked it, and less means you can take the left side. If it is more, take right side. That many steps are given. In this way you can use this number line to find the integer which is more or less. Right? And we are watching the first time our channel, just you can subscribe to it. So you can go through the content or the series in all line wise. So topic wise you can go through and you can prepare.